Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland.
Do you want to impress your friends and family? Do you know what you're bringing to the holidays this year? Do you consider yourself to be a cheese enthusiast? Did you spend 2020 quarantine practicing your cheese board making skills? Yes, you did, and so did I. Today, we are gonna put those skills to the ultimate test with the Holiday Tree Cheese Board. The Holiday Tree Cheese Board will test all of your skills with 6 different Wisconsin cheeses. It's a great option, it's a people pleaser, you can put things on there that everyone loves. The Holiday Tree Cheese Board is perfect, amazing, delicious, and your friends and family will love it. Let's make it right here, right now, together. You can do it. Are you ready to make something delicious? I know I am. I want you to have a great holiday season with Wisconsin cheese, and there are so many great ways to do it. Let's make the Holiday Tree Cheese Board. Find the recipe for this Holiday Tree Cheese Board and lots of other holiday snacking inspiration at wisconsincheese.com. And don't forget to look for the Proudly Wisconsin Dairy Badge in stores to know you are supporting Wisconsin dairy farmers. Happy holidays! Do you like cheese boards? I love cheese boards, and the Holiday Cheese Board and lots of other holiday It's a great way to use some of Wisconsin's dairy products. Find this recipe, did I already say wisconsincheese.com?